Hello there, this is Cathy from Red Robin Floral Furniture Refinishing, and I am part of the Paint Couture creative team. I recently thrifted this little box. It's one of those boxes that you get for wine, like a gift box, and I am going to redo this to make it a little prettier for my granddaughter's Barbies. So the first thing I need to do is cover it with primer. It's a very raw wood, might not even really be wood, but I'm going to cover it up just to start with a nice fresh base. And here I'll be using Paint Couture's Premium 2-in-1 Primer. This primer has bonding and blocking properties in it, so it's perfect for projects like this. I'll be painting the whole piece with Paint Couture's French Rose, which is a beautiful soft pink. And this is one of their chalk style paints. The coverage is incredible, and I did 2 coats. Now I'm using Stardust, which is a metallic paint, and I'm going to use it with a redesign with Prima Stick and Style stencil. You simply line it up where you want it and you apply your paint or embossing medium, whatever you'd like, and remove it, and it is reusable. Stick and Style has an adhesive backing on it, so you get nice crisp lines. Here I'm just showing you the shimmer from that metallic paint. I wanted a raised stencil look, so I'm using the decoupage medium. I've just taped off the areas that I don't want, and I'm applying it to a stencil, and it's another redesign with Prima stencil, and just filling it in. Now I had some doilies and I wanted to try to use them and add some color. It's pretty just as it is with the pink and the silver, but I thought that I would try something different for me, and I'm going to just attach these doilies. I'm using the Paint Couture decoupage medium, and I'm going to glue these down. And I'm going to be using the decoupage medium underneath to glue them down, and I went over top as well. So I want to add color to it, so I'm pulling out a whole bunch of the Paint Couture colors that I have, and I'm going to let you just watch because I just added color over the whole thing. I just want to say that my doilies are a little bit wrinkly. If I were to do this again, I would spray water as I'm decoupaging them down. I usually do that. It makes them a little more malleable, I guess. And I didn't do that. I just glued the back of the doily. So if you were going to try this, I would recommend just misting it lightly with water as you apply. This is Paint Couture's Harvest Maple. It is such a beautiful orange color. This is one of their metallics. It's so vibrant. I also use Cardinal Red, which is a beautiful, vibrant red. To be honest, I'm not used to using a lot of colors, so I'm really challenging myself here. And I actually did paint all the little pieces by hand. So here we're almost done with painting our doilies. I've switched to the flower, but in the foreground you can see that red, the cardinal red. It's so beautiful, and that was just one coat, which is all I did. Now I'm using Admiral blue, which is also one of the chalk style paints. I'm going to protect it with the Extreme Guard top coat because I'm going to do a paint wash over the top. I'm just going to be using the same pink color, but I'm just going to wash it just to tone it down a little bit. Once it was all dry, I sprayed it with vinegar, and now I'm going to paint it. And the vinegar is just going to allow me to dab it and pull back a little bit. So, because I do want to see the color through it, just not quite as vibrant. Now I do this one coat and then it just still seems a bit bright for me, so I did another coat. When I pulled it back, it was perfect. It does seem weird to paint over all your hard work, but the vinegar really helps to allow you to pull back some of that color on top so that you can see your original color peeking through. And when I was done dabbing over the colored part, I actually did go back and remove a lot of the paint over the Stardust, that stenciled area. I just really wanted to see some of the metallic coming through. I then finished it off with some gold gilding wax. I just went around the edges and I tied a cute little bow to the top, and then she was done. So thank you very much for watching today. If you are interested in any of the products you've seen here today, there will be a link posted down below to the Paint Couture website page. We would love for you to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Thanks again for joining me today. We'll see you soon.